Here's how to delete all your Instagram posts using Redact.dev. First, go to Redact.dev and download the free desktop app for Windows or Mac. Redact also works on iOS and Android, all from a single account and subscription. Install the app, open it, and create your free account. When you enter your email, Redact will send you a code to set up your account or log back in. None of your social media or deletion data is connected to your email address or your Redact account. Deleting from Instagram requires a Redact Premium subscription, which also unlocks deletion from over 30 services, advanced filters, scheduled deletion, and more privacy features that we're building right now. From here, you can select Find My Accounts, and Redact will scan supported browsers on your device for social media accounts. You can also click Add Account, select Instagram from the list of supported platforms. You'll be prompted to log in and authorize your account. Your login details are never seen or stored by Redact. They're sent directly from your device to Instagram, just like a saved login on a browser. Everything stays local to your device. Now you can choose what you want to delete. Select Posts as your content type. This tells Redact to target your standard image and video posts, not reels or carousels. To target everything, leave the filters blank and run deletion. Redact includes advanced filters to make your deletion smarter. You can target posts by date range, caption text, like count, or comment count. You can also use the preservation settings to protect specific content that you want to keep. Once you're done setting up filters, you're ready to start deleting. Or you can preview the deletion first to make sure you're not removing anything you want to keep. Click Start Deletion and keep the app running while Redact.dev removes your posts. Note that deleting Instagram content requires a Redact Premium subscription. With Premium, you also get deletion from over 30 services, advanced filter settings, and automations like scheduled deletion or disappearing mode. So Redact keeps cleaning up on your behalf over time.